Okay, this is Donzenic Housing Agency. So a full flat with a serene environment. In fact, the place is cool. You see there's a wall and it's where the location to is very good. So that's a flat. That's a flat. You see how neat it is. Yeah, now let's enter and see what is there. Okay, so when you enter, this is the kitchen. That's a dining hall rather, with POP. In fact, exquisite with POP towel. Every place is neat. That's the dining hall, and from the dining hall, you move straight to the kitchen. The kitchen is intact with everything. So you see the sink, there's a table here, and there's cabinets. In fact, the place is very large, the kitchen is very large. And now from there, you move to the from there you move to the hall. Every place, there's POP, there's tile. You move to the dining hall. This is the hall itself. So you see how large the hall is. The hall is very, very large with POP. In fact, the place is very neat. You see the air condition. Let's see how large the hall is. Okay, see the hall is very, very large. Now let's check the bedrooms. The bedroom. So now we are coming to the top to check the bedroom. Every place there's POP. Every place there's POP. In fact, the place is very, very neat. The place is very, very neat. The place is very, very neat. So you see the washroom and bath. See the washroom and bath. Yeah. Everything is intact. Everything is intact. Now, let's check the bedroom itself. At the bedroom, there's also a corridor that you can have your rest. That's the bedroom. With POP, everything is intact. The bedroom too is very, very large. Very, very, very large. It's very, very large. See how large it is.